Today I'm not here to motivate you. I'm not here to give a fancy talk. I'm here to speak the truth, the kind that hurts because it is supposed to. Look at us. Many of our brothers are wasting away nights spent gaming, days spent sleeping. Some are already trapped in drugs, in alcohol, in circles that lead nowhere. And we laugh, we call it fun, but deep inside, we know it is destroying us. I've seen boys who have dreams, real potential, but they're stuck. Their girlfriends, sisters are out there hustling, building, working hard, carrying responsibilities, while the boys are busy drinking, fighting, and talking big about nothing. That's not strength, my brothers. That's weakness, and it is shameful. What happened to the Tangkhul spirit, the one our forefathers carried? Where is that fire that built warriors, builders, thinkers, and leaders? Now we have become soft, lazy, satisfied with the bare minimum. We call comfort peace when it's actually our slow destruction. And while we sit here, the world is moving. People our age are learning new skills, building startups, working day and night to rise. They're planning their next 5 years, and we're planning our next ring. They're mastering AI, and we're mastering excuses. Let me say this clearly. Our community is not dying because of poverty. It is dying because of mindset, because of laziness, short-term pleasure, and lack of hunger. We're celebrating small things while others are chasing greatness. We're happy being average when we were meant to lead. Tangkhul youth, if we continue like this, one day we won't just be behind, we'll be forgotten. And the saddest part, no one will come to rescue them. Because no one can save a man who refuses to wake up. So I'm asking you, no, I'm begging you, wake up. Throw away the temporary pleasure that holding you hostage. Start taking your life seriously. Get up early, learn a skill, find a way to earn, build something. Respect the women around you. Let them be your partners, not your caretakers. This life, the short window of youth, it will not come back again. Don't waste it on cheap thrills. Don't trade your future for a few nights of fun. You owe it to yourself, your parents, your community to be better. So wake up, not tomorrow, now, before it is too late. Think about it, man.